Earlier in May, the night sky across North America was filled with amazing colours. Bright purple, pink, red and green light shone brightly. The aurora borealis. These natural light shows are usually seen in places close to the North Pole, like northern Canada and Alaska, which is why they are sometimes called the Northern Lights. But the weekend of May 10th was different. People living in California and other southern states like Arizona and Alabama were all able to catch a glimpse of this phenomenon, because the lights appeared much further south than normal, causing a lot of excitement and resulting in some amazing photos. An aurora is caused by high levels of activity on the sun's surface, called solar storms. These send large amounts of charged particles, mainly protons and electrons, out into space, including toward Earth. As they get closer to Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's magnetic field deflects the particles to areas around the North and South Poles. Here, when the particles interact with different gases in the atmosphere, different colours of light are created. Interactions with oxygen cause green light to appear, whilst nitrogen creates pinks and blues. And when they all appear together, the colours are spectacular. When huge amounts of particles reach Earth's atmosphere, they can cause what's known as a geomagnetic storm, with the aurora being the part of the storm that we can see. But whilst it's an amazing sight, the geomagnetic storm can disrupt communication systems like GPS and even the electricity grid. So just like weather forecasters predict thunderstorms, space weather forecasters predict how powerful geomagnetic storms might be. Then they alert the companies that provide the services we use so they can be prepared. For the recent storms, a team of forecasters observed this activity on the Sun over 2 days before the aurora borealis was seen on Earth. They could see a lot of solar activity and as a result forecasted a severe Grade 4 geomagnetic storm. But when the storm occurred, the team increased its grading to an extreme Level 5 storm, the highest possible grade. It was the first storm to be given this grade in over 20 years, but thankfully there was very little impact on communication systems. However, the extreme level of the storm does explain why people who wouldn't normally see the Northern Lights were able to, both in America and around the world. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Twig Science Reporter. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss our weekly update.